Kick off your woodworking game with the Zupper battery-powered press tool ED60100, delivering powerful, cordless pressing for fittings with precision and ease. Its smart pressure monitoring ensures every joint is leak-free, perfect for busy workshops and tight timelines. Lightweight yet heavy-duty, this tool features an ergonomic design that reduces fatigue during long hours. It's equipped with a 360-degree rotating head, making awkward angles a breeze to tackle. The reliable battery system keeps you moving without interruptions. Whether you're working on plumbing, HVAC, or fire systems, this tool has your back. The LED display gives real-time feedback for smarter pressing. Professionals swear by it for consistency and speed. Add it to your kit and watch your efficiency soar. Step up your projects with the Wellboard tools, aluminum folding bench, an ultra-sturdy platform that folds flat for ultimate portability. Crafted from high-grade aluminum, it's tough enough for heavy-duty use while staying surprisingly lightweight. With a non-slip surface and wide standing area, you'll feel secure while sanding, painting, or installing. It locks firmly in place, giving you peace of mind on every job. The easy folding mechanism makes setup and breakdown a breeze. It's perfect for moving from site to site without breaking a sweat. Durable legs support up to 500 pounds, tackling serious tasks. No wobbles, no worries. This bench is pure stability. Trust it for all your elevated woodworking needs. When materials feel impossible to move, the Stonegate Mini Dolly saves the day with smooth precision. This compact powerhouse can carry seriously heavy loads without marking floors. Designed for stone, heavy tiles, or sheet goods, it's a must-have for installers and builders. Its non-marring wheels glide effortlessly, even under extreme weight. The Dolly's low-profile design fits easily under tight clearances. Strong yet light, it's easy to lift and store between jobs. Say goodbye to back strain and hello to smarter handling. It's a small tool with massive muscle in your workflow. Move smarter, not harder, with the Stonegate Mini Dolly. Tackle drywall projects faster with the Wallboard tools, folding Radial sander, a clever upgrade for smooth finishes. This sander folds neatly for easy storage, perfect for compact toolboxes. Its radial design distributes pressure evenly, preventing gouging or uneven spots. Built tough for pros, the handle extends for hard-to-reach ceilings and tall walls. It uses standard hook-and-loop sanding discs for quick changes. The lightweight build reduces fatigue on big sanding days. Fold it, unfold it, it's built for busy job sites. Get flawless surfaces with minimal effort and maximum control. A true game-changer for finished carpenters and drywallers. Heavy garage doors are no match for the crisp Brutewinder, the ultimate tool for safe and fast spring winding. Built with professional technicians in mind, it drastically cuts winding time. Forget risky manual setups. This genius system minimizes dangerous tension mistakes. Its all-metal construction handles serious torque effortlessly. The compact handheld design makes it easy to maneuver in tight garages. Every wind is consistent, controlled, and efficient. It's a must for anyone handling door installations or repairs. Plus, it helps reduce downtime and costly errors. Work smarter and safer with the powerful Brutewinder on your side. Slice through tough vinyl like butter with the Marshalltown Vinyl Ripper, an absolute beast for flooring pros. This ergonomic tool makes removing old vinyl fast and frustration-free. It features a sharp, replaceable blade designed for maximum efficiency. The comfortable handle ensures you can rip away without wrist fatigue. Built for demanding tear-outs, it stands up to stubborn adhesives. Quick, clean cuts keep your work area neater and save hours of elbow grease. Whether you're renovating homes or flipping floors, this tool pays for itself quickly. Get faster, cleaner tear-outs with zero hassle. Once you try it, you'll never rip vinyl by hand again. Cut tough nuts without sparks or strain using the Zupper battery-powered nut cutter ED20436, a precision machine that handles stubborn fasteners. It slices cleanly through bolts and rods, saving serious time and effort. The cordless design frees you to work in tight, awkward spaces. It's built to tackle steel with impressive force while staying surprisingly lightweight. Ergonomic controls make every cut feel effortless. With a tough, durable build, it's ready for heavy-duty construction work. Forget grinders and torches, this is the faster, cleaner solution. The powerful motor and sharp blades deliver top-tier performance. Bring it to your next build and experience the future of cutting. Keep your site dust-free with the Marcrist RDC45 Mortar Router Dust Guard, designed to upgrade your grinding game. It fits easily onto your router, capturing dust right at the source. The heavy-duty build survives even harsh construction environments. Transparent guards give you full visibility while you work. It's adjustable for different depths, making it flexible for various mortar joints. Installing it takes minutes and instantly improves air quality. Your lungs and your clients will thank you. It also helps your tools last longer by minimizing debris damage. Level up your clean grinding with the Marcrist RDC45 today. Secure solid foundations effortlessly with the First Base Pro Series ground screws, bringing industrial strength to easy self-installation. These ground anchors replace messy concrete with simple screwing action. They go deep and stay tight, offering rock-solid stability for decks, sheds, and fencing. No heavy machinery or digging required, just pure power and speed. Built for extreme durability, they handle all soil types like a champ. With corrosion-resistant coatings, they last season after season without fail. Fast, green, and reliable, it's construction done smarter. DIYers and pros alike love the clean installation. Plant your next project firmly with First Base ground screws. Cut massive tiles like a pro with the Bihui tools, TCP-1200 Bihui. Strong tile cutter, a powerhouse built for perfection. It features a dual-rail system for precision scoring without flex or slip. The oversized base supports large-format tiles with ease. Its ergonomic handle gives you effortless snapping power every time. Tough tungsten carbide wheels slice cleanly for razor-sharp lines. Built to withstand job site abuse, it's a favorite among serious tilers. Quick setup gets you cutting faster and better. Whether ceramic, porcelain, or stone, it cuts like a dream. Make bold, beautiful installations with the unstoppable TCP-1200 Bhui. Blast through concrete in seconds with the Stihl Pulsa 65 Cordless. Concrete gas nailer, your new best friend on tough builds. Forget pre-drilling. This beast fires straight into hard concrete effortlessly. Lightweight and cordless, it's built for all-day comfort and speed. Each gas canister drives hundreds of nails with consistent power. Quick-load magazines and smooth firing save you serious time. Perfect for framing, electrical, and plumbing installs. Tough exterior housing survives the brutal conditions of real job sites. If you want pro-level speed and strength, this is it. Concrete jobs just got a whole lot faster. Tear into tough materials with the total cordless rotary hammer, TRHLI2028, a powerful tool packed with features. With its variable speed control and hammering action, no wall stands a chance. It punches clean holes in concrete, masonry, and stone effortlessly. Powered by a strong lithium-ion battery, it keeps going as long as you do. An anti-vibration handle reduces fatigue for longer drilling sessions. The compact build makes it easy to maneuver even in tight spaces. Swap between drill, hammer, and chisel modes in seconds. Built for durability, it thrives on rough construction sites. Bring raw power and versatility to every project. Get that flawless adhesive spread with the Ruby tools. Techflex notched trowel, engineered for total control. Flexible yet strong, the blade adjusts naturally to uneven surfaces. Deep, sharp notches ensure perfect mortar or adhesive coverage every time. It's lightweight, comfortable, and crafted to reduce wrist strain. The high-quality stainless steel resists wear and corrosion. Whether laying tile, stone, or mosaics, it delivers pro-level results. The soft grip handle keeps you comfortable even during marathon jobs. Cleaning is easy, just rinse and go. Build smoother, stronger surfaces with the Techflex in your hand. Tame messy ladders with the little giant strap holder, a simple yet genius accessory every tradesperson needs. This clever tool neatly secures pipes, conduits, and long materials to your ladder. It installs easily and adjusts to different diameters with strong straps. Heavy-duty construction keeps everything tight and stable. No more juggling materials while climbing. Improve your efficiency and safety with this small but mighty upgrade. It's a must-have for electricians, plumbers, and builders alike. Lightweight, durable, and endlessly handy. Your ladder just got a serious smart upgrade. Supercharge your job site with the Stellin Da Vinci 14 power tools. In one genius toolbox, the ultimate multi-tool for builders. This compact unit transforms into drills, saws, sanders, and more with a simple swap. Rugged and ready, it's powered by a smart battery system that keeps the energy flowing. Save space, save weight, and dominate projects big and small. Built with pros in mind, it's designed for real-world abuse. Every attachment clicks securely and works like a full-size tool. With Da Vinci, you carry a whole workshop in one hand. Stay nimble, stay powerful. Slice rebar like butter with the M-shaped bar cutter, MCM 500 from Marvel Corporation, engineered for heavy-duty cutting. This mighty machine applies massive force with minimal effort. Built from industrial-grade materials, it thrives in the toughest job sites. Its M-shaped cutting blade gives extra leverage and clean edges. Manual operation means no batteries, no downtime. Compact and portable, it's easy to bring anywhere. Cut thick bars quickly, safely, and precisely. Perfect for reinforcing concrete structures with speed. Get the strength you need without breaking a sweat. Stay perfectly level with the Electrician Color Level by Marvel Corporation, a colorful twist on precision tools. Choose from blue, green, or red to suit different lighting conditions. This level offers ultra-clear visibility for perfect alignment every time. Lightweight and rugged, it's made for the challenges of busy work sites. Easy-to-read vials guarantee you stay accurate under any conditions. Strong magnets keep it steady on metal surfaces. Whether mounting panels or running conduits, trust it for exact results. Stay sharp, stay colorful, and stay level. Finish with pure power using the Stanley NB08PT18 Kraftgesteuert Akku, a battery-powered rivet nut tool built for serious fastening. Designed for M3 to M10 rivet nuts, it delivers smooth, professional installs. Strong torque ensures secure connections every time without stripping. Lightweight construction keeps it easy on the hands during long days. Quick change mandrels make swapping sizes fast and frustration-free. Perfect for metal fabrication, construction, and auto work. Powered by a robust lithium battery for consistent strength. Bring speed and precision to your fastening work with Stanley's trusted power. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.